Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore live chat handoff from Intercom to HubSpot. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore live chat handoff from Intercom to HubSpot, start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the Settings menu located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Within the settings, find and click on the Messenger section. Scroll down to the Integrations tab and select it. Look for the HubSpot integration option and click on it. If it's not already connected, click on the Connection button to link your HubSpot account. You will be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. Enter your credentials and allow Intercom to access your HubSpot data. Once connected, return to the Intercom Messenger settings. Next, go to the Forwarding section under the Messenger settings. Enable the handoff to HubSpot by toggling the option to on. You will then see a field to input your HubSpot conversation endpoint. Copy the conversation endpoint URL from your HubSpot account. To find the endpoint, navigate to the conversation settings in HubSpot. Once you have the conversation endpoint, paste it into the designated field in Intercom. Save the settings in Intercom to apply the changes. Test the integration by initiating a live chat through Intercom. Engage with a visitor and trigger the handoff to HubSpot. Confirm that the conversation appears in your HubSpot dashboard. If issues arise, double-check the API keys and permissions for both accounts. Ensure that all necessary fields in HubSpot are properly configured for conversation handling. Once confirmed, your live chat handoff will be fully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.